We are today looking at how your rest of the 2024 looks like. So this reading resonates to those people who are born on 2nd, 11, 20 and 29 of any month. Okay, so let's start at this and let's look at how does your next couple of months look like. Okay, so we'll start with the reading in the month of July first. Wow. Okay, number two, this rest of the year is looking just lovely for you. Starting with the month of July that we are currently into right now, when I'm doing the reading, I see that it's such a nice Two of Cups card, which I can see that maybe it's just beginning of a relationship, or maybe in whichever relationship you are currently, it's blooming like anything. Maybe with your partner, maybe with your spouse. Uh, it's just going in a wonderful direction right now in terms of your love life, and it looks really nice to me. When it comes to the month of August, which is the upcoming month, I can see. So in August, I can see that there is someone guiding you for your pathway. There can be a guru, there can be your teacher, there can be your parent also, there can be a sibling as well, who are taking care of you as a guide and as a guiding light, and they are giving you a direction where you should move into, maybe where you are confused where to go, how to go, and they are giving you a pathway to it. Now the interesting part is that you must keep some faith in them, rather than just going ahead in your way. It is fine to go ahead like that also, but if they mean to you, if they are giving some great advice to you, maybe you can take that advice on and work on those lines. If I look at the next month, which is September, which has King of Swords, and this means that your thinking will be at the highest level, your logical ability will be at the highest level in this month. Maybe someone who has guided you in the previous month has uh, been really fruitful for you in the upcoming month, that is in the month of September. And even if not, you will be in a great mental space in the month of September. Now, when I see October for you, I can see that either you are looking, either you are looking out the ways where you can move from one place to other. Maybe you would want to travel a bit. Maybe you would want to seek new opportunities for yourself in the job, or maybe you are wishing that some great opportunities coming towards you, and probably I should take this opportunities, and there can be multiple opportunities for you as well. Or maybe you can actually engage in another aspect of your life also, apart from what you are currently doing, and this will take you in a better space or a better shape as well. Now, if I look at the month of November, I see that probably you are just keeping all the negativities off. You would want to keep all those things that were troubling you, and you're just, walking off away from all those people or all those places which were toxic, which were not keeping you happy. And you're just thinking, okay, let me just take my own path, and why should I get bothered with whatever is going on right now? And let's go ahead with that. And in the month of December, you're gonna do something um, great with yourself for sure, because I'm getting Wands energy, and Wands means the energy of your zeal. There is a zeal in you, there's a fire in you, for because of which you're gonna uh, make impossible possible. And the direction that you have taken right now is a good direction, because in overall, I can see that your next 6 months are going in a very, very positive direction right now. And if I seek for the guidance, so in the terms of guidance, number first, I've got the Tower card, and which says that maybe a lot of things that were already there for you are coming down. In it can be in a positive manner also, because you would want to go ahead for a better thing for yourself. So probably you would want to close down the toxicity in your life and move towards the betterment in your life. And next guidance I'm getting is to be the lovers. So be your emotional support is really helpful for you in this case, with your family, with your spouse, with your lover. Like I said, in the month of July also, I've seen a similar sort of card, and here also I'm seeing the guidance also like that. And yes, the last guidance that I see is a very lovely guidance, which is Queen of Wands, and it asks you to keep your zeal and your fire energy at its best space, with some femininity in that. If there is any female or anyone like your mom, sister, wife, whoever is able to guide you through this, maybe take their help as well and go in a smooth flow with all of them. So I wish you luck for rest of the 6 months, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.